We'll guide you through how to fix Windows not detecting or finding Bluetooth headphones. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll guide you through how to fix Windows 11 and 10 not detecting Bluetooth headphones. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as it means you then can't go and use them and listen to sound through them. So we've got some different fixes you can try. First of all, come and open up your settings like so. Windows 10 may look slightly different, but ultimately we need to head to our Bluetooth settings, so locate them. Then you want to go and click on Add Device and click on Bluetooth. Do just make sure your headphones are definitely in pairing mode. If they aren't, then that's why they're not appearing, so make sure they are. You may need to check how that can be done, but once they're in pairing mode, go and see if they then appear. If they do, connect to them and hopefully they'll now work. If that doesn't work, then what you need to do is come to the bottom and click on Search and type in Device Manager, like so. Now what you need to do is go and find Bluetooth. So click on the arrow to the left of it and go and find your Bluetooth adapter. This is mine here. Right click on it, go and click on Uninstall Device like so, and then you can go and confirm your decision like that. They'll then go and be removed there. What you can do is go and click on Action and click on Scan for hardware changes. It should then go and be added back here. If it isn't, you want to click on the Windows button at the bottom and restart your computer. Then it'll be added back. What you can then do is go and double click on it, and you want to go and click on Driver, and you want to click on Update Driver like so. You can do an automatic search. If there's any available update, it will then go and be done. Now you can close out of Device Manager. You need to then come to the bottom and click on Search again, and you want to go and type in Services and click on it. Now go and scroll down and go and find Bluetooth Support Service. Go and double click on it. You want to make sure the startup type is set to automatic and that the service status is currently running. Then press Apply in the bottom right if any changes are made and press OK. And then what you want to do is come to the bottom, press the Windows Start button, and you want to go and restart your computer. After you've restarted your computer, come back to your Bluetooth settings and click Add Device and Bluetooth, and hopefully now your Bluetooth headphones will appear and you can join them.